Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you something I am very happy to own. This is a 2008 Bobcat S330 rubber tired skid steer loader. It has just 2,112 original one owner hours. This did come from a private individual. Machine is in extremely well cared condition. 90% of this paint is all original. All the white paint is 100% original. We'll show you what we did paint, the cab, some other little things. But this machine's been through our shop. It's had a full service. That's what we do here at Mark Supply Company. I want to go through my stuff. I spend money on my equipment, so I know what I have. I'm not some guy out buying auction junk and then throwing it online. I don't do that. Don't participate in that nonsense. We try to find private owned or dealer trade stuff where, we have that opportunity to go through our stuff and see what we have. So this machine is a fully loaded machine. Yes, it is a high flow. It is an S330 high flow. It is a true high flow, and I'm going to show you about that and why I use that term, true high flow. We seem to have a little group of guys out there, and you fellas know who you are. You're putting high flow stickers on machines and you're shamming people. I feel it's wrong. This is a true high flow machine. We'll go over how you can tell the difference, okay? It is cab heat air power attach. It is 2-speed. It is 7 and 14 pin electrical control device. It is a joystick control machine. It does have your sound deadening package in it. So it is a fully loaded up machine at that time, what you could get on it for options. So let's go ahead back here in the engine compartment, take you completely around this machine. So back door is as straight as an arrow. It is very nice and straight. It's not dented in. It's not beat up. We did paint the back door. Back door was orange, obviously faded. The wheels themselves also were that way. So you can see inside the door, that is all original, and you can see how nice and shiny it is. But we did go ahead and paint that back door. All the sound deadening material is in the door, and you can see how nice it looks. Generally, it is all tore up. We did do a full service. Engine oil, fuel, both air filters. We did the hydraulic filter under the cab and the charge fan filter. Everything there is serviced and done. And you can see right there the oil is as clean can be, which it ought to be. This is a Kubota V3800T, which is an 85 horsepower 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. In the T320s, they were 92 horsepower. This could be turned up because it's the same pump setup and everything as a T320 also. But there again, very clean, no oil leaks, fully serviced. This machine is ready to go. Underneath the radiator cover here, you can see overflow jug, air conditioning condenser, radiator, and hydraulic core, all in good condition. We did paint this cover, okay? Shut that back door. On this side, we will show you cylinders are all original paint. We did replace these two hoses on both sides. They were rubbed. It is typical of a Bobcat. We went ahead and put four brand new 4,000 PSI hoses on. I'll show you right here. Hydraulic tank is right where it is supposed to be. This machine does have one set of front axle weights, two sets of rear axle weights already on it. They were on it from brand new. It's gonna be hard to see that with the camera, but they are there. No leaks on any of the cylinders. These back corners are all original. There's no touch up. There's one little ding right here. Decals are in very nice condition. You can see hose routing, everything here is very nice. This is the bucket that comes with this machine. It is an 80-inch Bobcat brand OEM with the bolt-on cutting edge. It is in very good shape. Nothing wrong with the bucket. Come on in here, you'll see. Power attach. I don't know why the customer did it, but I'm going to point out they did a nice job doing it. He must not like the handles there because they would extend out about this far. He did cut them off, shorten them up, probably because it tripped him or something. I don't know, but I'm telling you that. There again, this is me being honest. It is high flow. Decal is marked. I'll show you another way in here to tell. Case drain, 14-pin, 7-pin attachment control device. Front step is brand new. I put the step on because it had a backhoe mount group on it. We pulled that off, okay? Something I forgot to mention here, all 4 tires are matched. Galaxy 14-17-5, the super sidewall, I believe they're called a Hulk tire. I'd estimate those to all be 75 to 80%, all 4 matched. You know, it's a nice, well, there's 1,500 of the tires on the machine. Cab door, very, very nice condition. With the minus, there is some scuffs in the glass. I want everybody to know that. I'm just being honest there again. Very straightforward in telling you the truth. Cab is very straight. We did paint the cab. We did paint these 2 front cylinders, and that's it. All the white is original. You'll see down here where stone comes in and gets scuffed up on the boom. I wanted to let that all alone. I want everybody to see over here. Zinc plating, zinc plating, zinc plating, zinc plating. You can see all the zinc plating on the bolt heads, okay? If you look at pictures on the internet, some guy says about machines original. If you see them bolt heads are painted, somebody painted that machine. So we're going to take you inside the cab. You can see here, this is not some rust bucket machine, salt machine, anything like that. The cab shock is good. All my cab stuff is hooked up. That's something that kind of really chaps me. I look on the internet, all these guys say how nice their machine is, and you look at the front door and all the crap's tore off the front door and nothing works. Well, that all costs money. So it's a shame people want to sell stuff like that, but that's just the way it is. So I'm not here to be a crook. I'm just here to be an average, everyday, normal guy. So it is joystick. You can select between ISO and H pattern, bob attach up and down, park brake, self level. We're going to take you over here 2,120 hours, or 12 hours I should say. 1,100 RPM there. You see the RPM gauge works. Tack, charging, service clock shut off, and there's no air codes. Now, here is one big thing. If you look at a machine and that button does not light up where it says auxiliary high flow, it is not a high flow, okay? There you can see both of them are lit up. And unless that lights up, I don't care what your dash says, you do not have a high flow. Cigarette lighter plug, wiper, washer, wall work, AC, heat, new cabin filter. All the glass is in the cab. All my louvers are in. See, all the buttons are on the joysticks. Proper cab mounting washers and nuts. All the interior in the cab is nice. Heck, even the dome light works in this machine. Does have the external or the extra shoulder strap for the 2-speed. You're supposed to have that on whenever you're running the 2-speed. But if you're looking for a nice, clean, pre-admissions machine, it is serviced, it is ready to go. It's something I had to do my due diligence, kind of preserve this on the cab being painted and stuff. I like this older stuff. I have a passion for it because it's gone, it's done, it's never going to be built again. This newer stuff will never hold a candle to what these machines are. In my opinion, anything newer in 2012, it is what it is. I'm not going to say anymore. A lot of guys out there that appreciate things the way I do understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to go ahead, fire this machine up. We're going to run it around, start it, you know, do its thing. We'll take the bucket on and off. We'll show you H pattern. We'll show you ISO control. I like to go on and do a full thing to show people that it is the truth of what I'm selling. So we're going to go ahead, fire her up, run her out, and she does what she's supposed to do. guys, I hope you can see there from the video, this machine is as nice as it looks. It is comfortable to run. The AC works excellent. It is very cold. Very, very nice, clean, original, straight machine, other than what we told you. If you're looking for something nice, the white paint is exceptional. Something that, which I guess I have a beef with some guys out there. Some guy on the internet has one of these for sale, and you can see where he took the shaky can, he painted right over the cereal plate. I mean, whatever. You know, it's just one of these things where this is something nice. I'm $500 less than the next guy out there on the internet for sale, but I actually have a very nice machine, something that's going through that I know is good. Everything is intact. It's the way it's supposed to be. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. One of the only guys that takes his time on the internet to show stuff the honest way, the way it should be done. So please understand that and appreciate that as much as we try to do it for the customer. We're not doing it for ourselves. We are doing it for you, the customer. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at MarkSupply88. I'm wanting to say I took a little over 55 photos of this machine, I believe it is. So we try to, take an abnormal amount of photos. That really helps, and we try to do this video for you, the customer. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.